Okay, so when we multiply 4 in RHS side, then it become 4H2. So now the number of atom in LHS and RHS become equal. Okay, so now we have the partial balance equation in second step is Fe plus 4H2O makes Fe3O4 4H2. Now see 4O in LHS and 4O in RHS. Now oxygen balance in first step. Okay, now let us see 4 into 2 8 hydrogen in LHS and 4 into 2 8 hydrogen in RHS. So we can say that by these two steps we already balance the number of atom of hydrogen and oxygen in LHS and RHS. Now we need to balance one more thing, which is Fe. Let us proceed in third step, which is to balance Fe. Now again make a table. Atoms of iron, which is Fe, in reactants or in LHS, in product RHS. Okay, first step is initial. We have to write down the initial value in LHS in RHS. So initial value is 1 atom of iron in LHS and 3 atom in RHS. So we have to multiply by 3 in LHS to balance it. So to balance 1 into 3, then it become equal. Okay, now we have balanced chemical equation, which is Fe plus 4H2O makes Fe3O4 plus 4H2. We multiply 3 in LHS, so we just put this 3 in front of this Fe, which is available in LHS. Now this is the balanced chemical equation. Balanced chemical equation. Okay, so this is balanced chemical equation. Now also we have to write down the physical state of these symbols. Okay, for final value we need to write down the final stage, which is we have to put the state of these all elements or compound. Okay, for the final result, this is also final result, you should only do this procedure. Okay, for to solving any balance equation, unbalanced equation. Okay, just proceed 1, 2, 3, 4 step to balance such type of chemical equation. Now the final thing is necessary to write down the states. 3Fe is solid plus 4H2O is gas. Fe3O4, which is solid, and plus 4H2, which is gas. So we have four states of elements or compound, like we have solid, we have liquid, we have gas, and we have aqueous. What is aqueous? When the given element or compound are in soluble state, soluble solution, it dissolve in any solvent like water, okay, then it is said to be aqueous. Then we denote this solid as like this way, is liquid this way, gas this way, and aqueous AQ. I repeat, aqueous means whether H2O is, whether Fe is aqueous, whether hydrogen is aqueous, then we consider that this hydrogen is dissolved in any solvent like water. Okay, so by this way we can easily convert unbalanced equation, chemical equation, into balanced chemical equation. Okay. Today's homework is that make sure 10 to 20 unbalanced chemical equation, please balance it using this procedure, okay, in your notebook, and whenever school will open I will check out, okay. And one more thing, I will also give you some this type of problem in your upcoming examination, so you must practice on it, okay. Just write down the equation given in any problem, write down the initial thing, whatever the given things, we have to write down the elements and the number of atom in LHS and number of atom in RHS to know about what is the status of the given unbalanced equation, okay, like this way. Now we proceed to that element